Hello guys, today we're playing Don't Press the Button 1. Like, the one that you spawn in the middle of nowhere with a button. Don't press the button though. Who knows what could happen. That's what the description was. Okay, this game just got an update. Whoa. Well, it's loading. And there's no music. Oh, I can win this still. Oh, there I have 20 on. I'm winning. I'm losing. How am I beating this guy while I joined before him? I'm just regular cheese. No, Hacko cheese. Duh. I don't know that. Noob. Team Noob. Actually, no. Where? Is that ugly burger zero? Why does everyone keep following that? I won. Burger what? Burger home. I won. You know what? I'm cheating. Oh, yeah! I got the only good person on their team. Yeah, it's pointing that way. Yay. They're noobs. Where is the... Oh, there it is. That possessed me. No, I want it. Let the YouTuber have it. No, let the YouTuber have it. Click on it. Okay, let's see. Okay. No, it lagged. This one. It's not that one. It's not the very right one. I'm just taking a wild guess. Now what? Oh my god, that was amazing. I want to do that again. That's new. I've never done that one. No. Oh no. It's so bad. I glitched. That means you can't get me. Money. So rich. Oh, why is it? Please don't play the music. Okay, good. Game on fire is dead. That wasn't even his name. Now? I made it. Oh, wood! You are lost. I remember having that. I'm sure. I have this one. No, I don't.
I'm a fire in my
Nope. Get to the side. Ha! All those noobs. But over the side. All the zombies left. Ducks. Oh my god, it's Ducky Land. Why do you get it? I don't get it. I mean, I don't get it. I'm going with the most ducks. No, he is. No, he can't be winning. This is impossible. He can't be winning. No. Oh, he won. No. Gaming. This is coming. What am I supposed to do? Oh. I got 8, and they probably all have like 1, right? Because they don't know what to do. No, he didn't get he didn't get his gift. No, Christmas is ruined. Oh my god, is this the inappropriate thing? Oh my god, he has the longest time in the world. God, his time's so long. Let's go down slowly. Wee. No, resetting immediately. I'm going to win this. I'm going to win. I'm the best at this one. I'm so amazing. I knew I was going to win because I'm so amazing. If I win this next one, you have to like and subscribe. Deal. Oh no. This reminds me of Toad Mama Island. If I don't die and win, then you have to like and subscribe. Get up. Get up. Get her. We need to get her. Yeah. You need to subscribe. You are going to lose. No matter what. Going to lose. Start shooting. Ball center. Oh no. It's 2v1. This is bad. PvP. This is true PvP. No. No. I said I didn't win. This can't be a tie. my god, I did it! Yes! Deal. That was a deal. If you said yes to the deal, then before, then you have to do it. You can't turn back now if you did that. I love this song. Oh, that was easy. Wish I did die. No! 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 That one didn't. Oh my god, they're just getting tortured. You can't move now. Okay. Run! She's got the station she's going on. So she's at 29. No! I'm doing this hard. Look. You're doing it. What happened? No. I'm at the endless one. So close, but there's a wall right there. So. This guy's a noob. Look at this. This one. Guys, it's this one. Imagine the blue one. The blue one is good and the green one is good. Oh my god. Just stay. I'm gonna stay. If I die, they're gonna die. They all die. There we go. This game is like fun. I should say that. Are they laughing at me? You know what? You're all noobs. I'm the best at obbies. Like, actually. I'm second. I came in second. And they're all going to they're like, oop. Oh, I came in first actually. I'm gonna. Oh, I can't. These are so. I need that again. I want that again. Yeah! We have more players than you. Prepare to die. I already killed somebody. Yeah. The winners are blue team, which is my team, right? Is it then red team? I don't know. My team. Speedrun 4. This is such a speedrun. Such a speedrun. I know, right? No, they can't figure out that happened. No. Now I must speedrun to that. This was so easy. Hey, but he didn't beat it. And then it was so easy. and jump. It's impossible. I hate that sound. This is the music that happens every time I hear that sound. I'm like, ugh, and I rage. Me. Oh, I'm a hang glider. Oh, 6 civilians, I can. Yeah, for some reason. Oh, Undertale sound? That's an Undertale sound, I'm pretty sure. Or it's not. I don't know. I'm going to win. This person does too. Me! I'm so good. I'm so bad at it. Guys, I think we're going to end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe, you're one of my favorite viewers. And yeah. Bye.